Benny came late to class. He apologized, and Mr. Larry forgave him and let him in. Mr. Larry taught the class, and everyone understood the lesson. At the end of the class, he set some work. And Benny got the highest score. Well done, Benny. What has just happened? Benny has come late to class. He has apologized, and Mr. Larry has forgiven him and has let him in. Mr. Larry has taught the class, and everyone has understood the lesson. He has set some work, and Benny has got the highest score. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.